in ministries, we get people coming together, and they have the pastor, they have the auxiliary lead or the coach, but no one knows what we're doing. So we have to start with what is the overarching vision of the church, what's the mission objective of the church, and then what is the strategy, how we're going to do this. Okay? That's what we talk about in our huddle. We talk about in our huddle the vision, mission, and then the strategy, how we're going to fulfill the mission that we have. And every team in the church ought to be aligned, hear me, every team ought to be aligned with the vision of the house. That's right. And the mission of the house. You cannot have, hear me, you cannot have a team. Listen, and I'm not picking on the ushers or the choir, but I've seen it, where there's a vision of the house, but the ushers have a whole different vision. That's right. That's right. A whole different vision. The choir has a whole different vision. You can tell the preacher's preaching one thing, but the choir's singing something else. You see? So how do we all get on the same accord